Hi everybody, in this video I will show you that how we can control the LEDs of ESP32 with the help of Bluetooth by using serial Bluetooth terminal. So we can go to the devices here, and so we will connect with our Bluetooth. Now you can see it is connected, and now we will turn on this LED. You will see it here, it will turn on. So we can turn off, turn on, turn off. So this is the project, and we are using Arduino IDE and the Bluetooth code for this. So let's start this project. In this project we don't need anything else, any wires, any components. We just need ESP32, and we connect this cable with the laptop. So this is the code of this Bluetooth project. Here you can see that we are going to use this code for turning on and off blue LED, which is already on the ESP32. And if we go through the code, for turning on we are using high, and for turning off we are using low here. And that blue LED is already connected with this LED pin, so that's why we are using this one. As we are using the UART communication, so that's why serial.begin, it will come and then it will just print as we write it here. Then this code will run, and for turning it on we are using this command. If received character is equal to turn on, then it will happen, and if it received character is equal to turn off, then these commands will work. And we are having a delay of 20 milliseconds. So let's verify it. It will take few seconds. As you can see that it is already offline, so we don't need any Wi-Fi connectivity for this project, even not for the mobile and even not for the ESP32. This is totally using Bluetooth. So that's why I am using this project, because you can easily control these home appliances. In the next project I will show you that how easily with little coding you can control your home appliances with the help of ESP32 and Bluetooth. So it will take few seconds more. Now it is done, and now we will upload this code on the ESP32. So the code is completely uploaded on this ESP32. Now I will show you on the mobile that how we can connect it with the serial Bluetooth terminal app, because we have to create some buttons there. So let's see. Here on the mobile phone you can see that we don't have any connectivity with the Wi-Fi here, and here you can see this serial Bluetooth terminal app. So I can go here, and then we can go to the devices here, and we can click it here. So this part you can see on the top, it is connected, and now we are going to create these buttons. So for M1 we will press and hold this button for a few seconds, then this thing will appear. Instead of M1, we know that what name we kept for turning on LED, like we put it there, blue LED on. You can see in the code this thing. I will also share the code in the description. So it will be like blue LED on, and the value was, it was high, HIGH. That's it. We will press this tick button here. First button is created, and for M2 we will also do like this, and for M2 we will press it here, just like blue LED off, and for the value we can put it here low, and that's it. We can also press this tick button here. Both buttons are activated. So we go to this devices, and this is the ESP32 Bluetooth LED. So we'll connect it here. So you can see that it is the Bluetooth is connected with the Bluetooth of this ESP32. So now you can see it is connected here. So as we produce this blue LED, so I will press it, then you will see that it will turn on here. So it is turned on. Now you can turn off, turned on, and turn off. So in this way you can control like all the connectivity which will be happen through the Bluetooth on this ESP32. And in next video I will show you that how you can control your home appliances with the help of Bluetooth. Thank you so much.